A little noisy out here. It's 5:30 a.m. in Costa Rica. We're packing up, heading back to the States. I was just here for a week with my company filming their retreat vacation for the top salespeople. I came in, filmed it, and took photos and all that stuff. Yeah, seems unreal this was my job that I get to do this. Yeah, I've been thinking a lot about that lately because I've been here and it's crazy, it's insane, and yeah, I'm not taking it for granted in any way. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I have this opportunity from the kind of stuff and kind of work I used to do, where I used to sell pizza on the street corner. I've Ubered, I've washed dishes, I've done so many different types of jobs that were not anywhere as cool as going to Costa Rica and taking photos and video. So yeah, it's silly to be. Seems silly, but this is just, it's a huge accomplishment for me to be doing something like this. So that's kind of, I've been thinking about how I want to talk about it. But yeah, that's it. I'm lucky, but it's something that I accomplished where I got to come and do something amazing like this, and that's something that I'm going to be forever thankful for. So I have way too much footage to put together in a kind of cohesive video for you guys right now. So I'm just gonna put some clips together, give you a little teaser of some of the stuff we did. And yeah, I got a long day ahead of me. So don't know when you'll be seeing this. God willing, the Costa Rican Wi-Fi will work. If not, maybe when I get back. But until next time, pura vida.